my fellow Jamaicans. I'm here to assure you that these protocols put in place is for your best interest. So go over to my channel and subscribe for the best, and I will assure you that there will be tighter measures of these protocols. So subscribe, like and share. Alright? There are more videos to come, more niceness to come, so subscribe, like and share. Anyone see breaking these rules will be put in jail. Alright? Thank you. Did you enjoy the walk?
Lovely walk. Things more often, baby.
Yeah, definitely. But you know what I think that got through my mind. Just glad so we pay off for all them loan they already have. No, we are about to get a car.
Especially them days when we used to hide from things and when they come collect their loan. But
I'm glad.
them days they're done with now. So yeah, carry the next step. We have to talk to me about now.
Also, we miss you.
Miss you?
Yeah. No, we're always busy because we have so much things that do. We have accomplishments we have to thank God for.
I have to thank God. We're going so far now, we're rising up here.
Yeah, but I think we want more now.
More? Of course, you always want more. What kind of more you want? What kind of more you want? Tell me.
That's one of it. Be more spontaneous, you know.
Spontaneous? Like how? That's not too bad. Like how?
You ever think about having another?
Something missing? Really? After me get all that good, I can talk about something missing? What you talk about?
I feel like so we can maybe buy one handcuff. No, not in the store, they things like that. Handcuff your hand to the bed tonight. Try something new.
Handcuff my hand to the bed. So what you couldn't say? We handcuff we hand them together. On the bed, that not sound too... Not like to be constrained them way there.
If you handcuff yourself, that now make no sense. I'm tired of like when time I do my thing. I do my thing. You know, so you can't move, you know.
Well, you know, so I like to move anyway, so why you don't want to tie me up? That not sound too... I don't know.
Anyways, we can think about it.
Alright, we think about it.
So yeah, go on. How does this work?
The boy look nice, you know. A long time I want him.
Walk on, Shan.
Tori,
Hello.
what's up?
There. Just there take a walk with Alton through the lawn and thing.
Alton, what you mean?
Yes. He ain't got no one part of this. So we're going.
I'm just there. So I come breeze out a little bit for the Sunday.
Okay, so I just there to run come around and come find you because while ago after me and him I have this nice walk. Long time we don't really spend some quality time together, you know. So I didn't walk the nice and everything, and then after we reach a one part, he stop and say, yo, you know for everything I want, but he kinda want a little bit more. What kind of more you really feel like say boy I want? Alton tell me say who would are interested in a little bondage. You know, like to tie me up and I could do a little thing with me. Constrained.
I never know say into them things there.
Me, after me not into them things me tell him some not too like them things still, but me tell him some me think about it, you know, because
Nobody think about nothing. Nobody go down them road there with him.
but I'm a boyfriend and we come from far, you know, we have enough
Yeah, but
things so
if
we
you don't-
accomplished so far. Me see him as the one, you know, me see him as possibly later down, but no, not right now, but me see him as that, so
What if I'm gonna push you into doing things where you don't want to do?
nah,
Why?
say him push me still, but maybe we can think about it. That's why I don't want to talk to you about it. What do you think?
I don't think that you should do anything that you don't want to do. And if it is that you don't want to do it, man, I got that woman anyways, you know. So make him go and go do what I do, wherever I do it, and you become nice and comfortable.
All of that too. There I come to talk about he's the one when
Exactly.
he don't know what he might do.
Come on.
So, alright, thank you. That's why I always have to come link you, with your wise advice. Nice haircut and all, looking hot. So yeah, what are you up to differently?
I'm just, as I said, I'm just there chill for the Sunday evening. I go through Instagram and
Take someone to jump in somebody DMs.
Maybe.
So who are next victim,
I'm not tell you until I see you.
Oh, come on. I wonder if things are going good for me and him, like him I do some stocks business and have shares and this and that, and what they tell me about some percentage increase, and all me here is money. That's all me here. And me pon in little hand want to expand with little car rental business and we're about to do that. So I know things are going good with me and him. So I don't want to try.
So why would I want to tie you up then? That sounds like some submissive shit, like him want to prove that him a this and you a that. Like, I don't think you ever met nobody tie you up on a whole. I don't think nobody if you tie up nobody like them and go.
Morning. Welcome to another day in the life with Alton. And this morning, we're at beach. See? Me and Shan and Tori there. We are at beach in the morning. Still I do a movie. So yeah, we're there on the beach today. I'm going normal. Get a show done in the day. I want to take 1-2 days and done the movie today. So, good morning, and please remember to subscribe as you come on. Don't know what you do for the day, but the day if done. But as you come on, just subscribe, man. Subscribe. So, good morning, and welcome to Negril, Jamaica. They're at the beach now with Shan and Tori. Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning. So, yeah, I walk over there now and see what I go on. First time I come at this beach. You see me? So a bag of things go on. Another day in the life. Alton and Tori. So Shan there. I mean Shan there in this movie. She get it beat me up. How was last night though?
Good. Really.
You get like a revenge, eh?
I don't get none yet,
She get a little bit of revenge for me last night. You know, a different movie. So
they can't even stand up, but just like you're over here, how our style is. Pose anyhow you want to pose, you'll get it
feel nice. So girl, belly is clean, you know. And they will know like a normal woman.
I saw her on a belly.
Kitty cat. Alton. Wet table talk. Oh my God. Good morning. Let me take my glasses off. Good morning and welcome to another day in the live with Alton. We are here today with our hosts Tori and Shan, and we have an interview to do with this fine young lady here. She's an actress. She's new to the thing. Oh. She's new to the thing. So let us see what she has in store for us today at the Wet Table Talk. Come in, man. What you do? Come in. Join in. Alright. So, Carlanda, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Welcome to the show. This is Tori and Shan. So,
Hello. So when you say a new, what do you mean? That's what I want to know as well.
how long since you've been doing this though?
This?
Yeah.
A couple years.
Couple years.
Officially, months.
But officially you started with Richard Brown Films,
Yeah.
right? As a professional actress.
Professional, yeah.
Right, that's good. You know, you're on a wonderful team, right?
Yes.
How you link
Yes,
with
I
Richard Brown
do.
Films?
He brought me to
You have
Kingston.
to keep the table as close as possible.
He brought me to Kingston one time.
One time he brought it to Kingston. Yeah?
So that's when we met. It was on a day that he took me to Kingston.
Oh,
Richard is your taxi driver now.
No, message. So
No. Shut up, dog. Tell him how exactly go. Alton call me.
I met Alton was my friend.
Was
well,
It sounds like I was because me never know that they're my friends.
alright. Tell give him a full detailed story.
hold on.
Alright, I've always seen Richard. When I go to events to sing.
To sing?
Yeah. Normally see him enough place. Wedding, funeral, you name it. And never talk to him. And then Alton, enough.
I'm not enough though.
Alton and I became friends. And then I wanted to go to Kingston.
Water.
So he was like, no, I was going to Kingston. They were like, we're going to Kingston on this day, blah, blah. And I really, well, I'll tag along. And that's when I met Richard. And then it just took off from there.
Right. What's
What's in the water?
Tell us what's in the water.
Yo, remember that the foolishness, man. Chuck.
No. Security, come get this thing. Hey, security, what is it? Alright, so sorry about that. They like to be.
That was an error.
They like to be. Bloopers.
So you sing. You have to give with peace.
Yeah.
You have
Yeah.
to give with peace.
Yeah, man. Wet table talk singing.
Wet
Come.
table talk.
You guys have to give me a song.
Want something natural.
Whitney.
Just let us hear a voice.
Oh my gosh, really? I got
No, give her Sam Smith.
She's nervous, guys. She's nervous.
She's not nervous if she sing at weddings and anything there. She's not nervous. So
She's
just throw away.
around Alton and Tori and
Come here, just in the light. Make it lighting. Come here, son. Better lighting.
Yeah. Let us hear a voice, Carlanda. We have the same last name, you know.
Sadly.
We like cousin or family. We like family. We like cousin.
Sadly.
We could be family or it could be cousin. We could be brother and sister.
No,
The father did bad, you know. He was a bad boy.
This head says it all.
No man, you're a little virgin on my head.
like
Your head,
really
your head just
like
little big on me. Just little bit big on me.
But mine work.
Yeah, so.
Yours will feel heavy.
Alright, so sing a song for us.
Maybe one day
I want Sam Smith that?
I won't sing about you.
What you want?
One that everybody know.
Yeah. What you want to sing on some?
No, man. Sing one song everybody know.
Yeah. Your song where you... Get them the room now.
Oh, you and me, we made a vow.
Woo! Right, that's it.
For better or for worse.
Alton, she is singing at the top.
I'm giving her the water word.
No, top man, make sure the audience can hear her voice. Stop.
Okay.
Alright, come again, from top.
You and me, we made a vow. For better or for worst. I can't believe you let me down, but it proves in the way it hurts. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. Woo! 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 We got
We were
talent.
dancing there for a little bit.
We got talent at the wet table.
We were dancing for her. We were dancing for her. It was good though. So tell us a little about yourself though. What can tell the world about Carolina?
Carolina. She is, I think she can be fiery at times. She's honest. She's definitely honest. She's friendly. She's nice. I think she's a nice person. I know self-praise doesn't normally, go far away, but I can say I'm a nice person. I love food. And I love music, I love traveling, I love
I agree, she loves food for true.
Now they go with the best. I love food.
Yeah.
Sorry, I love food.
Yeah.
We can attest to that. She don't eat dumpling though, but she eat 6 pieces of yam, 12 breadfruit.
You can't dead if you're hungry, you know?
Can't dead feel hungry.
Yeah, I love food. I love food.
She's
And
a
I love
sucker for
traveling.
food.
I love
What kind
adventure.
of food do you like?
Food, once a food and it tastes good and it look both the right way.
Once a food and a dumpling.
Well, I love, alright.
So eat fried dumpling?
Oh, not really.
Oh,
Wait,
they
you
ask
like
what's the logic in that.
Same pizza?
Well, I love pizza. I actually love pizza.
You
The
love
only
pizza, innit?
fried dumpling that I love is my mother's. I think she makes the best dumpling.
Big up her mother.
Yeah,
Big up, mommy. Big up all the mothers. Mother's Day
Oh
just
yeah!
passed.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yesterday I did Mother's Day and mothers never get to tell her nothing. Happy belated Mother's Day. Big up to all of the mothers.
Every day
All
is
of those
Mother's
beautiful
Day,
mothers.
okay?
Every
It's
day
a
is-
happy Mother's
Who
Day
make
to all the
beautiful people
mothers.
like us. Mother's Day.
But that's it. Parents Day. Because we have parents too, you know. You have fathers.
That's for November.
Father's
Yeah,
Day.
Father's Day.
Next month.
Their parents there?
Parents, yeah, that's in November.
I like.
Parents month.
It's
What they care so
Children's
for?
Month.
No, you have, it's parents and children. And you have,
So it's family month?
yeah, basically it's a family month.
Yeah?
May is child's month, but November is for family.
November. People, we are family people now.
So,
Yeah, I know, right? They are.
what we have
November
planned
people
today? What
are
we have
family.
planned today? We have to have something.
We have finished up a movie, one new movie.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
what that one name? What song with Curious Continental playing him?
Let's get down to business.
Get down to business. Let's get down to business. Hey, let's get down to business.
You have one more night. One more night.
Get down, get down, get down.
That's
Get
fun.
down, get down. Hey, hey, hey. Go, 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 go. Wait. No, call it the heavy. Call it the heavy. All right.
We carry.
My God. Come on.
Tori, you jump up.
Come on, put it back. Come on. Come on.
All right.
Donkey ride.
Make sure y'all have your fare.
sexy on camera come up on a big screen now, right Tori?
Right now.
It's another day in the life of Alton. Oh, doing a scene. Oh shit. Oh, that's
good.
no skin on the cup, I mean.
Oh yeah, make sure it's the temperature in your room.
Ready now? Where's the need?
Yes.
You need the people them will make sure that the temperature in the room is okay for the actors. The lighting is good.
Yeah, when
Fed.
when the company reach that level, we not reach the level yet.
You have to think about the level there before you reach there, and that's how you could get there.
No, that what's it about me if you think about that right now.
There.
Mosquito bite you up, babes.
Mosquito ain't torment, man. Mosquito just sing like a choir in there.
My time for bite you up now, babes.
Oh my god.
Look at you. So yummy.
You know, so I'm not really into this. I'm tired of them like a regular or something, man.
What do you mean?
Go try. Wait, I don't say we start.
You don't know what that one. Yeah, try a little simple something, but they could try. Oh no, I try.
It works.
This not work out. Yes, we have the that was.
Oh, what happened? Baby, we do something wrong? What happened?
I not feel the energy, man.
What do you mean?
Energy, I not feel it. I think I need to take a walk.
Alright, you want to go out there so go breeze off a little?
Everything good, man. Let's go on there, thing.
This is the time.
I can do it from the back.
Look into your eyes. Look into your eyes. No longer mine. You're no longer
Show you two of the moves them when we learn what they are. Like this. Yeah? Squeeze it and come up.
Come again.
Go down. We squeeze and come up.
Oh, what you learn there?
Let's watch the little video there. Because you know, we have to do everything to improve you. So yeah.
Let me all sweat. It's not even about the exercise no more. I want to take off my shirt.
Alright.
Where you learn that style?
You like that one, they're not sure.
Love it. I'm gonna get a wild treatment.
Anything for you, my baby.
That was a good one. We need to go down and shower, you know.
Right there, so there's sticky. So,
Push me to skin off, scratch me.
alright.
But it was worth it. Come in here, Shan. Come in here. Come in here, Shan. Come on the other side.
Which one of the movie are your favorite?
Which one am I favorite?
I love candy all on the love.
All of you love, alright. Pop boy!
You know Popeye?
Yes.
Oh, that's it.
You know Popeye?
They were all of my family and plus.
Are you family them?
Yeah, them introduced me to them.
Yeah? You're talking to, who you talking to? Alton.
Alton.
Right? Shan. Shan,
Yeah,
Tori in there, so. That's what I'm saying. Come, take one picture. Come on, Shan, take one picture. Say, what you saying?
You say, my fellow Jamaicans.
My fellow Jamaicans.
I assure you that
I assure you that
the protocols put in place.
protocols put in place.
are
You want
for
like
the
a
best-
you want like a
yeah,
dirty
understand.
smile on your face.
Yeah, they are for the best interest
They're for
of
the-
each citizen.
For each citizen. Are you ready?
Yes. My fellow
My fellow Jamaicans, I'm here. I assure you that these protocols put in place is for the best interests of our citizens. So please subscribe, like, and share, and put on the subscription. Put on the subscription. There's gonna be tighter measures of subscription. Put on the subscription. I'm gonna tighten up the subscriptions. So remember to like, comment on this video. Alright? Protocols will be followed. So like him?